A Doncaster man has been sentenced to time behind bars after failing to stop for roads policing officers last year. On the 4th of April 2020, roads policing officers were patrolling in Doncaster when a silver Ford Transit van caught their eye on Ledger Way. Officers requested the driver to stop the vehicle. The driver, later identified as Tony Ellison, failed to do so and a pursuit commenced. During the pursuit, Ellison exceeded the speed limit, drove over pedestrianized areas and through red lights erratically, showing disregard for other road users, pedestrians and officers. Officer in charge PC Will Lane explains more. He said, "While carrying out routine checks and stops, we often find that those who are willing to drive without the correct insurance and documents are more likely to take risks or be involved in crime. Ellison is a prime example of this. It was 4:30 p.m. when we asked Ellison to stop and speak to us. During the pursuit he put himself, officers, drivers and other road users at risk. He reached speeds in excess of 50 miles per hour in a densely populated residential area that has a speed limit of 20 miles per hour. Officers brought the pursuit to an end by using their vehicles to stop Ellison from driving any further. PC Lane explains how even after stopping the van, Ellison didn't want to give up and ran away. He continues, "When we had brought Ellison's van to a stop, he jumped through. Immediately followed by my colleague, he attempted to jump a garden fence but was quickly arrested." Ellison was sentenced last week to 18 months in prison. He has also been banned from driving for 12 months upon his release.